All of you have all the material? Yes. Okay. So let's start the session. It's a summer party doodle. So let's start this summer party with the ice cream. Everyone is excited to make a ice cream. Okay. So let's start. Make a straight line here, just like this. Don't worry, Veda, if you don't have a sketch pen, then you just need a pencil, okay? Okay, so first what you have to do, make a straight line just like this. Make another straight line parallel to this line. Now, let's join this two line. Join the top with the curvy line like this. Now, at the bottom of this, make a line, make a straight line like this, and another line just like this, and join this one also with the curvy line. Yes, it's ice cream. But this time we are going to make this ice cream little in a different way. Let's make a circle here. Just like this, make another circle. Make a curve in middle of this. And just fill half of the portion. Similarly like this. Yes, it's ice cream with the ice. Make a little smile here just like this. Everyone has made it? Okay, so we can move to another ice cream. Okay, let's make an ice cream in a different style. This time we are going to make a slant line just like this. Another slant line. And let's join it. You can make the upper portion curvy, just like this, and erase this portion. Yeah, it's triangle ice cream. Now let's make a stick for this ice cream too. So what we have to do, make a straight line just like this, and another parallel line, and join it with the curve. We are going to make a ice for this ice cream too, but this time we make ice in different way. What you have to do, make a circle here, just like this, another circle, now make a curve here and another curve here. Repeat it with other eye and fill the middle portion of the eyes.
So some people are saying it's a chocobar, some are saying it's a kulfi. Very nice. So one thing that you can ask to ice cream, I want to know, if you want to ask something to an ice cream, what will you ask? If anyone can write in the chat while ma'am is completing the drawing, fatafat. What will you ask to a
Okay.
ice cream?
Make a smile here. So our triangle ice cream is also complete.
Yeah, so many are asking, why are you so yummy? Which flavor are you? Why didn't you get cold? That's a very nice answer, Sirisha. Why didn't you get cold? Because if you eat too much ice cream, you can catch cold. But ice cream will never catch cold. So that's an interesting thing to ask on ice cream. Can I eat you plus? Divyam is saying. Very nice. Swastika is also asking, why are you so yummy? Nice. So that's why we are doodling our ice creams today. So let's see how different shapes and patterns we can make from an ice cream from other desserts as well. Okay. So I will keep you asking such questions and you can interact with me in the chat. Very nice. Suhan, Akshat, Krishvi, Danesh. So many innovative answers I am getting. Yeah, Kiran ma'am, you can continue.
Okay. So everyone love ice cream, right? So let's make another ice cream. This time we will make ice cream with the cone. Okay. So to make a cone ice cream, what you have to do, make a slant line here just like this. Make another slant line. Join it with the curve. Now you have to make a so many curvy line like this. You can add cherry topping on the top too. And at the bottom portion, you can add some lines like this. And add some more line. Here our cone ice cream is ready. And we are going to make a eyes in this ice cream too. Make a oval here. another over like this, curvy line in the middle of the eye, and just fill it. And make a big smile for this ice cream.
Can you all tell me the flavor of this cone ice cream in the chat?
So everyone has made it? Strawberry, mango.
Yes. I think it's butterscotch. It's more of a butterscotch. What do
I
you
think
think,
it's
ma'am?
a chocolate ice cream.
Okay, guys, continue to draw.
Okay, so let's move to another dessert. Everyone has finished it. No, they are mixed. I think everyone is busy in guessing a flavor of the ice cream.
And Ruhani has already done that.
Okay, so let's move to our another dessert. Guess what I am going to make this time. You have to guess, okay? You have to make it and you have to guess it also. Let's make a straight line here. This time you have to make a rectangle with a curvy corner. Curvy corner, okay? Just like this. Yes, Srisha has guessed right. It's a cake. You have to make another curvy rectangle over this. We can add one more layer.
No, Divyam, it's a cake. It's not kasata.
It's a jalebi. Arav, it's not a jalebi. Okay. Let's make eyes here. Yes, it's a clear 3-layer cake. So what you have to do to make an eye, make a curve here, and this time we are going to fill half of the portion. Just like this. And a little smile. You can add cherry topping on the top too. Just like this. Yes, Aditi, you can add cherry topping on the top. Even you can make eyes on the bottom layer too. You can make a big eye just like this at the bottom. And fill this portion. You can make eyelashes too, just like this. and a big smile. Yes, Misha, it had two eyes.
Ma'am, Chaitra is asking to have a candle also. Can we make a candle too
Yeah,
on the cake?
I don't have space much.
Okay, okay. No problem.
But I can make a small candle here. Okay, so
Yes,
what
yes.
you have to do to make a candle, make a straight line here, just like this, and another line parallel to it, join it, and to make a flame, you have to make a curvy line like this, and a wavy line like this. You can make one more candle here. So what you have to do to make a candle, you have to make a one line here. Yes, Vibhuti, if you want to make an outline, you can make another line just like this, join it, and make a curve. So here our candle is also ready. If everyone has finished it, so then I want to see what you have made. Please show me. Very nice, Swara. Very nice, Rohani. Okay. Raj has also done a beautiful doodle. And okay, so everyone enjoying this doodle session? Shika. Bartle has made a beautiful doodle. Vidyut has also done it beautifully, and Chetra also okay. So everyone has finished this, right? Now we are going to make a little cupcake. Okay, some people want to see donut, right? So to make a donut, what you have to do, make a circle, make a big circle like this. Make another circle. And here your round donut is ready. Now you can make eyes on the top. Make a cute little smile for the donut. So here our donut is ready.
Arav, you can make a jalebi and then send it to us. We'll more than happy to see it. No problem.
Nanya. Okay, so there are 2, 3 students who are asking for a jalebi, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, no problem. Then we can make a jalebi here. So to make a jalebi, what you have to do, you have to make a spiral like figure. Okay, just like this. And you can fill this portion with any color, then it will look like a jalebi. I'm doing shading here, but you can fill a color in this. Okay. And if you want to make a eye in a jalebi, then you can make eye too. What you have to do, make a circle here. And smile in other layer. Here your jalebi is ready. Okay, so everyone has finished this.
Whosoever has finished, please show it to ma'am.
Yes, okay, some are saying no, so we can wait for 2, 3 minutes.
It's nice, Swastika. It's nice. Ayat, it's really nice. Krishvi, it's
Shraddha,
nice.
okay. Viraj, it's beautiful. Mihika, it's very pretty. Okay, whoever has made it, you can do outline with any sketch pen while we are waiting for other. Okay. Okay, everyone, we will make a cupcake too, but some are making this, right? So you can wait for some time. While we are waiting, what we can do outline in this. Okay, take a sketch pen and let's start. Everyone is doing outline in this doodle. Uh, if you want to fill color in this, you can.
Yes, sure, Meshad, you can definitely do that.
Okay. If everyone has made all these things, then we can make a cupcake. If you made outline, then you can do color also. Yes, Ashita, if you want to fill color, you can. Everyone has finished outlining. All of you are doing outline? Yes or no? We have to make cupcake also, so finish this outlining as soon as you can.
Yes, Yashita, you can definitely do your own colors, no problem. Please, please don't forget to send it to us.
All of you can send us your beautiful doodle on our WhatsApp number. You can also tag us on our Instagram and Facebook. I think everyone has done their outlining, so we can make cupcake now. Okay, to make a cupcake, I'm going to use another page. Everyone is ready to make a cupcake? Okay. Make a square here, just like this. What you have to do to make a square, you have to make a one line, one straight line like this, another line parallel to this, just like this. And what you have to do, just join it. Okay. Now make upper portion of the cupcake. Make a curvy line like this. Another curvy circular line. One more. And let's join it. You can add one more layer. What you have to do, make a curvy line like this. Another and join it. Now, what we have to do, make an eye for a cupcake. And to make an eye, you have to make a circular line like this. Make another circle. One curve on the top and another at the bottom. And just fill the middle portion. Make a little smile for your cupcake too. You can add eyelashes too if you want. So here our cupcake is ready. If you want to add some design, what you can do, you can make a slant, add one or two lines here. And a cross line also. Okay, everyone has made a cupcake. Now we are going to make a one more cupcake in a different style. So what you have to do, make a straight line like this. Another straight line parallel to this and join it. This time we are not going to join it with a straight line. We have to join this with the curvy line. Just like this. And a big circular curve on the top. You can add one or two layers in your cupcake, just like this. You can add a cherry topping on the top too. What you have to do for a cherry topping, you have to make a circle here. And this time we make eye here. Make a circle here. And fill this portion. You can take line here also. Just like this. And here your little cupcake is ready.
Whosoever
Everyone
have
has.
made their cupcakes, please show it to ma'am.
Ruhani, it's beautiful. Swara, you also had made it beautiful. Okay. Moksha. It's really so cute, Moksha. Dharvi, it's so cute. Navika, you also had made a very cute doodle. Viana, Aditi, you all are making a cute doodle. Okay, so everyone. Wait, wait.
Ma'am, I think everybody has done their job so nicely. Made ice
Yeah, I
creams,
think so.
jalebies, and cupcakes. Kids, please send it to us at our WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is given in the chat. You can also upload it on Instagram and tag us. Please ask your parents to have a picture with you with your creation.
Student, there are so many kids, so we are not able to see everyone work, but you can send us on our WhatsApp number. There we are going to see everyone work.
It's great, Krishvi. It's
Yes.
great. Yeah. So I think we are done with making cupcakes and ice creams. Ma'am, is there
I
anything
think
left?
everyone. I think it's enough for today.
Yes.
You want to learn something else? Sketch it. If you
I
are
think
done with this pencil line, then you can do outline with the sketch pen. Okay.
kids just complete those outlines and send it to us at our WhatsApp number. We'll more than happy to see it. Okay. So we are going to end this session here only. Thank you for participating. And please don't forget to send all your creations to us. Thank you, Kiran
We
ma'am.
love to see
And
your beautiful doodles.
yes, and please say thank you to Kiran ma'am in the chat box for this wonderful session.
So bye bye everyone. I hope you enjoy this session.
Okay, thank you so much, kids. We are going to end this session here only. Please send your creations to us. We'll be more than happy to see them. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye. Bye.